Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's wintertime and you know what that means. Cozy vibes, warm drinks, and snacks that keep you healthy and energized. Today we're talking about nuts. These little powerhouses are more than just tasty. They're a winter essential. Let's dive into why nuts should be your go-to snack this season. First up, immunity. Winter is notorious for colds and flu, but nuts like almonds and walnuts are packed with vitamin E and antioxidants. These nutrients help strengthen your immune system, keeping you fit and active through the chilly months. Nuts are a natural source of healthy fats, which provide your body with warmth and long-lasting energy. Whether you're heading out for a hike or staying in by the fireplace, a handful of nuts like cashews and pistachios will keep you fueled all day long. Dry skin in winter? We've all been there. Nuts like walnuts and almonds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which nourish your skin from within. Snack smart and let your skin glow even in the cold. Winters can slow us down, but nuts keep our hearts going strong. Walnuts, almonds, and hazelnuts are full of heart-healthy fats that improve cholesterol levels and support a happy heart. The best part? Nuts are so versatile. Add them to your oatmeal, sprinkle them on a salad, blend them into smoothies, or simply snack on them as is. There's no wrong way to enjoy them. So there you have it. Nuts are not just delicious, but they're also a winter superfood. Whether you're looking to stay warm, healthy, or glowing, nuts have got you covered. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health tips and cozy winter vibes. Stay warm, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.